Every millionaire has one thing in common: a plan. Not luck, not timing, a strategy. 2025 isn't just another year, it's a turning point. AI, green energy, and digital finance are reshaping how wealth is created. So, if you're serious about becoming financially independent or even hitting that millionaire mark, this is your blueprint. Stay till the end because these aren't recycled tips. These are 2025's smartest, data-backed investment moves, the ones that could define the next generation of millionaires. Let's dive in. Chapter 1: The Mindset of a 2025 Millionaire. Before we talk about where to invest, we need to talk about how to think. Every millionaire starts with the same 3 beliefs. They think long-term.
The average millionaire holds investments for 7 to 10 years. They don't panic during market dips. They see opportunity while others see crisis. They invest in knowledge before assets. The world is changing fast. AI, blockchain, clean energy. If you're not learning, you're falling behind. Millionaires spend more time learning than earning because they know learning multiplies earnings later.
They diversify smartly, not just owning a little of everything, but building a portfolio that balances growth, safety, and passive income. If you can adopt that mindset, the rest of this blueprint will work 10 times better for you. Chapter 2: The Foundation. Setting up before you invest. Most people want to jump straight into stocks or crypto, but millionaires know you build the base before the building. Here's the millionaire checklist before investing. Emergency fund, 6 months of expenses and a high-yield savings account. It's boring, but it keeps you from panic selling investments when life happens. 0 bad debt. Pay off high-interest credit cards first. You can't out-invest 25% debt interest. Automation. Automate monthly investments. Millionaires don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. Tax strategy. In 2025, tax efficiency is the hidden gold mine. Using tax-free accounts, business deductions, and strategic asset placement saves thousands. Once this foundation is solid, you're ready to move into the millionaire blueprint itself. Chapter 3: Stocks, the core of long-term wealth. Stocks remain the backbone of most millionaire portfolios. But in 2025, it's not just about buying big names, it's about buying the future. 1. AI and automation stocks. AI is no longer a buzzword. It's a global gold rush. Companies leading in AI chips, robotics, and data infrastructure are seeing exponential growth. Think beyond NVIDIA. Look at companies providing AI tools, semiconductors, or automation for industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. 2. Green energy and EV sector. By 2030, renewable energy could dominate global power generation. Solar, battery tech, and electric mobility stocks could triple. Watch out for firms focused on solid-state batteries, hydrogen fuel, and solar grid innovations. 3. Dividend growth stocks. Millionaires love passive income. Dividend stocks that raise payouts yearly are the quiet wealth builders. In 2025, focus on companies with strong cash flow and consistent 10-year dividend growth, like utilities, consumer staples, and healthcare firms. 4. Global diversification. Don't limit yourself to your home country. Emerging markets, especially India, Southeast Asia, and Africa, are exploding with tech and infrastructure growth. A small global exposure could 10x your portfolio performance over a decade. Chapter 4: Crypto and blockchain. The digital gold rush. Crypto is no longer the Wild West. It's becoming a mature financial ecosystem. And while the hype cycles come and go, the technology is here to stay. Here's how millionaires are approaching it in 2025. 1. Bitcoin as digital gold. Bitcoin has become a hedge against inflation and government monetary policy. Most wealthy investors now keep 3 to 5% of their portfolio in Bitcoin, treating it like digital real estate. 2. Ethereum and the smart contract ecosystem. Ethereum and its Layer 2 networks power decentralized finance, NFTs, and the next internet revolution. Projects focusing on scalability, interoperability, and real-world asset tokenization are leading 2025's crypto boom. 3. AIX crypto integration. The biggest 2025 trend? AI-powered blockchain tools, where artificial intelligence automates smart contracts, trading, and data verification. This fusion could redefine how digital assets are managed. 4. Stablecoins and tokenized assets. Governments are slowly approving tokenized securities, stocks, bonds, even real estate, on blockchain. Smart investors are getting in early through regulated platforms. Pro tip: never gamble. Use a clear system. 70% long-term hold, 20% swing trades, 10% high-risk experiments. Millionaires survive bear markets because they play strategic, not emotional. Chapter 5. Real estate, the tangible millionaire maker. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other asset in history. But 2025's market looks different. High interest rates have slowed buying, but that's exactly where opportunities hide. 1. Location reversal. Trend remote work changed everything. People are leaving big cities for affordable, smaller towns with good internet and lifestyle perks. Buying properties in these next wave areas could mean massive appreciation in 5-10 years. 2. Short-term rentals and digital nomad housing. Airbnb-style rentals are shifting toward longer stays for digital nomads and remote workers. Investors offering fully equipped, work-ready homes in travel hubs are seeing big returns. 3. Commercial conversions. Vacant office spaces are being turned into apartments, co-working studios, or storage facilities. This adaptive reuse trend is one of 2025's smartest real estate plays. 4. REITs, real estate without owning property. Don't want to deal with tenants or maintenance? Real estate investment trusts, REITs, let you invest in property portfolios for as little as $10, perfect for hands-free, diversified real estate exposure. Chapter 6. AI and Tech Startups, the frontier of millionaire growth. In 2025, the fastest-growing millionaires aren't just investors, they're tech-backed investors. AI startups, robotics, and digital health are creating billion-dollar companies faster than ever. 1. Angel investing and equity crowdfunding. You don't need to be a billionaire to invest early. Platforms now allow small investors to buy startup equity. Look for teams solving real-world problems with AI or automation. 2. The rise of AI tools for business. From content generation to financial analytics, AI software is automating everything. Invest in companies selling tools, not just using them. Like how the gold rush millionaires weren't miners, they sold shovels. 3. Digital ownership. NFTs are evolving beyond art. In 2025, they're used for digital ID, property titles, and contracts. Investors in the infrastructure powering these new utilities could strike gold. Chapter 7. The power of compounding, turning small sums into millions. Here's the math that turns average earners into millionaires. Compounding. If you invest just $500 a month at an average of 10% annual return, in 30 years, that's over $1 million. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Millionaires don't wait for the perfect day to start investing. They start early, stay consistent, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Chapter 8. Passive income streams, money that works while you sleep. Every millionaire builds multiple streams of income. In 2025, here are the smartest passive income ideas: dividend stocks and ETFs, automatic cash flow every quarter. Rental income, from properties or digital real estate, like websites. Digital products, online courses, ebooks, templates, AI tools. Chapter 9. Avoiding the traps, mistakes that kill wealth. Most people fail not because of bad investments, but because of bad habits. Here are the top wealth killers to avoid in 2025. Chasing hype. If you're buying what's trending on social media, you're already late. Over-leveraging. Using too much borrowed money magnifies both gains and losses. Neglecting mental health. You can't build wealth if you're burnt out, anxious, or impulsive. Millionaires practice discipline, not just decision-making. Chapter 10. The Millionaire Lifestyle. Discipline, not luxury. There is a common misconception that most millionaires live lives full of luxury and extravagance. In reality, many of them live simple, disciplined lives driven not by status or appearance, but by long-term goals, smart decision-making, and financial freedom. Heading into 2025, here's a proven formula that many millionaires follow. Adopt the right mindset. Wealth starts with belief and long-term vision. Secure your foundation, eliminate debt, save consistently, and budget wisely. Invest wisely. Focus on companies shaping the future. Use crypto strategically. Diversify, don't speculate. Leverage real estate. Prioritize cash flow and value, not prestige. Remember, the best time to plant a money tree was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share this with someone ready to change their life in 2025.